skillet is so cute.
Well, Mary, we going from his chilliness to something hot enough to sear a steak. Now, refrigeration is chilly. This beautiful electric skillet from Temp-tations is hot enough to sear strip steaks. Look at these. Isn't that beautiful? We're getting a beautiful sear on these steaks, and it all comes together with a great, great buy from Temp-tations. Now, I'll remind you that this is coming together at a price of $29 and change. No, you're not misreading that, because some of you right now are in the other room and you're listening to QVC in the background, and I want you to come into the room where the TV is and just take a quick gander at this graphic on the screen. Go ahead, we'll wait. Okay, take a look at your screen. This is a 5-quart countertop electric skillet with a temperature probe for $29 and change and 5 easy payments. Wait for it, I'm giggling because it's so low. $6. Yeah. Now, I've got this for you in lots of beautiful pattern choices. This is the Palm, which is one of our newest patterns from Temp-tations. Most limited in the Palm, 550. We'll shoot these from the side so you can see them a little better. This is the classic blue, always popular. This is another one of our newer colors, the taupe polka dots. Then I've got black, then confetti, then green, then gray, and finally on the end is the red. All of this coming together. At retail, $44.99, so looking at about $45 at retail. We are $15.01 less. You're getting a 5-quart countertop electric skillet for less than 30 bucks. Tara Tesher joining us live via Skype. I think we have Skype repaired, and we can now see the pretty lady who makes it all possible. Tara, welcome back.
Hello, David. So I love what you were just saying, right? Absolutely, it is that great skillet. When you don't necessarily want to heat up the whole oven, you don't need to. But it's also a slow cooker. It's also a fryer. It also becomes a buffet server because when you disconnect that probe, which gives you a low, medium, and a high, this actually has cool touch handles that you can carry with you. It has a cook and look lid so you can see everything that you're making inside here. And it's got that amazing non-stick. 5-quart in total capacity, which is just awesome. And again, everything that you've come to love and multiple machines in one, which was why I absolutely fell in love with this product.
Now, Tara, because you are the designer extraordinaire, you think about the flower as the finial on the lid. You complete the whole look of Temp-tations. So we've got the flower finial on the lid. But even more impressive than the flower finial is 5 quarts of beef chili. Yeah. And we didn't just do beef chili, we're serving it in cornbread bowls. Yeah.
Yes.
I'm not even playing. I'm not even playing. Yeah. Okay.
Is this like perfect Sunday afternoon or what?
This is ball game food, right?
Yeah.
But wait, I'm not done because we need to top that chili. Let me grab some shredded cheese, some onion, and if I had a spoon, I would do
a little dollop of sour cream?
I do have a little spoon. Hang on. Hold on.
There you go.
There it is. I mean, if you're not making a mess, you're not doing it right. Come on now. All right, there it is. Perfect. So all this comes together for you at a time when we're really looking to do more cooking at home, but we want to do it more easily. Right now, we're not so concerned about heating up the kitchen, Tara, but there will come a time, rather soon, we hope, when the temperature outside grows and we want to keep our kitchens cooler. This is going to be a great option to turning on the stove or the oven, right?
Yeah, and you have the portability here, which is fantastic. So for me, this is one of my absolute favorite things to do, and that's to make breakfast. So I have my bacon in here. I have my potatoes in here. I just cracked my eggs in here. And instantaneously, David, you can start to see the yolks of the eggs, the white of the eggs, start to cook. That's what's amazing about this. It's literally on demand. From the minute you turn it on, whether it's on your warm or it's on your medium or it's on your high, you can start hearing it popping. So this now replaces your saute pan over at the stovetop. You have the ability, once it's done, to disconnect that probe and now bring it to the kitchen table, bring it to the dining room table, and now it's a buffet server that you can serve right from. 5 quarts of mac and cheese, I would not be a good friend if I didn't have that for you there.
Well, and I may not be as good a friend because I may eat it all myself. Yeah. But, I mean, think about that. This is going to be a perfect way to serve the whole family a great big meal or keep it warm until they get home. Take a look over here. I don't just have meatballs in this container. in this electric skillet. I have 98 meatballs. Anybody hungry
Did
for
you eat
meatballs?
two?
Yeah, well, could
Did
I?
you eat two?
I must have. I must have, because I think they could have easily put another 2 in there and made it an even 100. But in addition to that, look what we have here. 5 quarts of cobbler. 5 quarts of cobbler.
Look at that.
Now, Tara, what's the best way to clean this?
You're just going to go ahead and wipe it clean. So you can actually get it warm with wet soapy water and actually wipe it right out. Because it's that non-stick, David, you can do things like, ready, deep fry. How about I'm deep frying some coconut shrimp in my palm skillet? I mean, look at that. This is what we're talking about. So from slow cooking to sauteing to deep frying, this is why we love this type of piece. And it's countertop, and you can bring it to the table, which had all of the earmarks of what I think is the most perfect Temp-tations item. Replacing all of those things in your kitchen that you always thought you had to have and you always had to think you had to store, now all in one. Oh, yum.
Now, Tara, you are also providing us with 5 recipe cards, complete with color photos. So some great recipes, including coconut shrimp and skillet peach blueberry crumble, which we just showed you on the end there. This is the palm, most limited option. Down below is, and these are the classic patterns. Remember, they include floral lace and old world. This is blue. Then I've got taupe polka dot, one of our other newer patterns. Then we've got black in the classic, confetti in the classic, green, 550 in the left in the green. Then I've got the gray, fewer than 1,000, and then the red. And red is our most popular. Now, in this show alone, we've taken orders for 1,200 of these are gone, and with hundreds of folks still on the phone lines, be sure and get your electric skillet for less than $30. What? Did he say less than $30? Yeah, less than $30. So this is what it's all about. Don't miss out on this opportunity. We're very busy. And remember, Tara, and everyone watching, 5 easy payments on every item today, on air and online, no matter which credit card you use. So it's a good day to indulge in a little easy pay and a countertop electric skillet from Temp-tations. Now, Miss Tara.
And a little coconut shrimp.
And what? Oh, coconut shrimp. You got coconut shrimp. Nice. All right, Tara, I know your day started early, so hopefully you're going to have a relaxing afternoon.
I am planning on it. Thank you, my friend.
Good for
to
you.
see everyone.
Be safe and be
Thank
well.
you.
Bye-bye now.
You too. Bye-bye.
Now, earlier we showed you that Lazy Susan because